Are you guys thirsty? Welcome to the Bingham home.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what we have to drink. Hey everyone, welcome to Jared and Brittany.
Yeah, welcome to our channel.
We hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Today
Oh yeah.
is Monday. We've had a busy day today, lots going on.
I've had so many crazy emails that I had to do today and business calls, but it's been very good.
He's literally been on the phone almost all day long. I took Finn on a walk a little earlier, so that was fun. And we have been doing quite a bit of housing, you guys. Our house is coming along. We just got an estimated completion date. We're not gonna share that with you yet, but let's just say—
Mainly because it's not really official yet.
Yeah, because we don't want to get you guys excited and then have to be pushed back.
Yeah,
but it's coming up, you guys. A ton of you have been saying, and as you guys know, quite a few people in our family are either building homes, just bought a house. We need to get started on shopping for
Appliances.
Appliances, any big furniture pieces. We just came to Best Buy. We were gonna head in there and check them out.
I don't know what it is about Best Buy, but I feel like they've totally upped their game.
Yes, there are so many appliances
Yeah.
here right now. This is a good place to see our first kind of introduction. I feel like there's a lot of different options here. First thing that is up is fridges.
And Brittany actually told me how much fridges cost. I am shocked. This is a $4,000 fridge. $4,000. What am I getting for this?
Wow.
Is it gonna deliver my food for me? Is there a butler in there?
Is it gonna make the food?
Yeah. Now I am just joking around, but I do know that fridges are very important and that you use them for a super long period of
The
time.
reason it's glass is a little more pricey. My guess is because usually stainless steel, like you can scratch it and all that. This looks like it's pretty easy to clean off.
You know what'd be kind of cool? You could use magic marker right here, just like
yeah, that
leave
would be
notes.
cool.
Now one thing I do know for sure, you guys, is that we need a fridge that is flush with our cabinets. I actually don't know the exact terminology for that.
Counter depth is
Counter
what it
depth,
is.
okay.
It has the 2 double doors, which is awesome. You can fit a lot in here.
Yeah, there's actually a ton of space in
Water
there.
filters here. But look how awesome, it has a second drawer right here.
Look at that, that's awesome. That's actually very convenient. I love the dividers. Right now in our current fridge, you guys, like everything just gets everywhere. I don't personally like that myself.
Yeah, I really like this.
Ooh, that's really cool how you can control the temperature and gauges right here.
Which is awesome.
That's super convenient.
And then the freezer, let's see the size. Will it fit Jared's bluebell?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at all these drawers.
Holy cow.
That's actually really
crazy.
nice.
That's really nice.
That way we're
Love
not
the
like,
dividers again.
That way we're not like
So
digging
convenient.
through everything.
Yeah, totally.
Now, here's the other question, babe. Do we want a water thing on the outside?
I personally think it's way more convenient than having to open it up and like do it that
It
way.
is more convenient. I personally like the look of them without it.
Oh, of course. You know, something like that one right there. Okay, I just saw this price. Look at this, you guys. $9,000.
Wow.
What in the world are they doing with $9,000 in
Now,
this fridge?
our space isn't big enough for the double
Yeah,
door like
no,
this.
not a chance. Thank
Yeah,
goodness.
don't even need
Yeah,
to
thank
consider
goodness.
that. This is LG, not too bad at all. I feel
Oh yeah,
like,
1,800 bucks.
I feel like this is kind of like your standard.
That is like very much your standard fridge for sure, 100%.
Standard fridge.
Now, where's the water thing in here? Does that not come with one?
So this doesn't have one.
Oh, okay. So you definitely would want one for sure because I feel like we'd be using that all the time.
Now this one is interesting. It has the see-through door on one side, which is kind of cool.
I've actually personally never understood that. It's like if you want to know what's inside, just open up the fridge.
Yeah, it's double-sided right here. Supposedly fit a lot in.
And it does look cool on the inside with like the blue LED lights.
Yeah, I like the gray actually with it. Same
Very
thing.
big
It
storage
actually
space
has
down
the
here.
Same freezer
Tons.
it looks like as the first one.
Yeah, tons of storage.
But this one's LG as well. This one does have the water, the ice.
See, I personally like that. It's so convenient.
Yeah, it is really convenient.
Yeah.
Almost $2,000 more than the other one.
Finally, Brittany found something I can agree with.
This one's $1,700, so the price is good. This one does have the outside water and ice,
Oh,
which
yeah.
is nice. But this is not the split, so it's one side
Oh,
like this,
that's
fridge,
right.
and one side freezer.
Yeah, okay.
Which I actually kind of like freezers this way. I don't know.
You do like them that way?
I mean, I do, but I like the look of the other fridge. It'd actually be interesting to know if you could fit more in one or the other. I think we'll have to kind of look into the capacities and things like that. This brand is Bosch, which I'm not very familiar with Bosch at all. I really like the look of this one.
Yeah, I like this one a lot too.
Simple. Has the double doors.
Oh, and it's really so big on the inside. It's so spacious.
Look at all these compartments you can mix around the shelves, which I love. And Jared just pointed this out. It has a water thing inside the fridge.
This thing is very, very spacious.
Freezer.
And how big is the freezer?
Freezer's
all right.
awesome.
Ooh, it's got a scooper.
Yeah,
now that's cool.
We're buying this
$3,000 fridge for a scooper.
That makes sense.
That's a $200 scooper right there.
Number 3, you could win this Price is Right. I didn't know KitchenAid made appliances.
I thought they just did mixers.
Like
yeah.
Side by side.
Oh, yeah.
I kind of like it.
I kind of don't.
You don't?
I think it's a little too small in comparison to those other ones we looked at. Doesn't it feel small? Maybe not.
Here's an ice thing right here, which is nice. It has the water on the outside. I don't love the black. Kind of makes it look a little dated. I like the big handle.
Yes.
Jared found this one with a TV screen.
Yes. See, isn't that so cool? We could watch Netflix.
We would never use that.
Oh, all the time. Okay guys, Brittany just got really excited about this fridge.
I want to show you a magic trick. Hey, are you guys thirsty? Welcome to the Bingham home.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what we have to drink. We got...
That is actually pretty cool. That's actually super cool.
That's kind of nice. So your drinks are right here, so that way you like when you have guests, you don't have to open up the entire fridge.
Yeah. No, this is super hard. Instead of knocking, look at that. Oh, that's so difficult. So difficult.
But what's cool, babe, what's cool about it is you can have the messiest fridge inside, but all your guests see are your nice pretty drinks.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's open up the entire thing now.
Ooh, now that's big.
This is maybe a new thing. You guys let us know. But the full convert drawer, so you can basically freeze it or keep this as a refrigerator, which is really cool.
Yeah, that's super cool. Ooh, look at that. It's a smart fridge.
Ooh, guys, everything's
Daddy
getting smart
these days. Okay.
Wow.
So I'm starting to see a trend right now with the freezers.
Yep.
This one though, however, is definitely not as cool as the other ones.
It's priced more on the higher side a bit.
Oh, of course you have this, and then you have Finn barking all the time. There you go. Oh man. Saved me so much time. Saved me so much time from here to there.
Let's step into the laundry room now, shall we? My favorite thing to do, laundry. Except no one ever. As long as it clings to my clothes, I'm good with it.
I know. There's actually one feature that my parents were in love with.
On newer dryers, it is called Steam Fresh.
Yeah.
And basically you can throw whatever in there and it steams it so you don't have to iron it anymore.
Yeah, that's amazing.
How amazing is that? So we actually tried it at Brett Maddie's. It was awesome. Kind of the two brands we're debating between are LG or GE for washer and dryer.
We've heard that Samsungs are the ones that are returned the most or have the most problems with them. I don't know if that's actually true or not, but that's just something that we heard.
So what we're realizing, you guys, some of these have so many features.
This one can do a small load, it can do sportswear, it's got remote start function, it's got a Wi-Fi function.
Yeah, Steam and built-in intelligence. So I don't know all the details, but my guess is you can probably start this remotely from your phone.
That's amazing.
That's like my #1 thing with laundry.
I know.
I'll always put in a load and then I wait, or I put it in right before bed and then it sits all night. So that's actually really awesome.
Super convenient. The other great thing about looking at this stuff right now, you guys, is because Black Friday is right around the corner. We need to order some stuff soon, and the fact that we can save some money in the process is huge.
Yeah, we need to check with them to see kind of what their order schedule, what the wait time will be with appliances. I've heard things all across the board.
My parents said that some stuff they asked about could not be delivered until like June of next year.
Yeah, and that was more so furniture, I think, hopefully, but I have heard fridges are really hard to come by. You guys, we don't know. We gotta talk to someone.
All right, you guys, we are back inside of the car.
Man, so much to think about.
Yeah, there's tons of stuff to think about. Basically, what we found out is that they can hold anything for us for at least 3 months, which is huge.
Yeah, that's good news. So if we order whatever we want, luckily they can hold it until we need it, till when our house is done. The bad news is, he said it changes every day, what's in stock, what's not, how long it takes. So we really need your guys' help.
Yes.
let us know any of your thoughts on fridges and washer and dryer. I think we're leaning more towards LG and GE on the washer and dryer front, and then maybe between Bosch and LG on the fridge front. But let us know.
We're gonna have to look at a lot more places though. This is just the one place that we had time for tonight.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today, shopping for appliances. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. We are gonna have so many more house shopping videos coming up, so buckle up, you guys. I think we're gonna go wind down the night with the show and cuddle this little guy, and so we will see you all tomorrow.
See you guys, love you, bye.
Bye.